Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can disconnect property on Booking.com, so let's jump right in. To disconnect your property from Booking.com, start by going to the distribution section of your channel manager or property management system. Once there, open the connection for Booking.com at the top of the page. You'll find a bulk actions button, click on it, and choose the option to deactivate the connection for all active rate plans. This action stops the sync between your system and Booking.com for all rooms and prices. When you deactivate the last active rate plan for any room type, its availability will automatically be closed on Booking.com, and any updates to that rate plan will no longer be pushed to the platform. After disconnecting the rate plans, you'll need to complete the process from the Booking.com side. Log in to your Booking.com Extranet and go to the section called Connectivity Provider under your account settings. From there, select the option to disconnect your current connectivity provider, which finalizes the break between Booking.com and your channel manager. Once this is done, return to the distribution section of your channel manager. Use the search feature to locate your property in the list. Click on the three-dot menu next to the property and choose Refresh Synchronization Settings to ensure the changes are properly applied and reflected in your system. This final step helps confirm that your property is fully disconnected and no further updates will be sent between the platforms.